Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by creating a Semrush project for your site and enabling backlink audit immediately so data begins collecting. Once done, run both site audit and backlink audit to capture current links and health signals. This gives you baseline metrics like trust score and toxic risk. Make sure to export the raw backlink CSV so you can tag and sort links offline. This first pass identifies quick wins and risky links, letting you prioritize outreach and removals right away. Next, dig into filters. Sort links by trust/authority, anchor text, toxic score, and follow status to spot valuable opportunities and liabilities. Once filtered, group links by referring domain and link type so you can estimate outreach effort per domain. Use Semrush's link building tool to import prospects and compare competitors' backlink profiles. This shows where you can replicate high-value links. Make sure to mark targets for outreach and removal, and assign outreach templates so your campaign scales efficiently. Finally, launch outreach using personalized templates and track responses in Semrush so you don't duplicate work. Follow up twice before moving to disavow. If sites refuse removals or links are clearly harmful, add them to your disavow file and upload to Google. Otherwise, keep a record for appeals. Monitor backlinks and SERP movement weekly and run a full audit each month to measure progress. If outreach fails, reevaluate targets and messaging. Change angle, value offer, or escalate to webmasters politely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.